step guide. So we're going to start off with the eyebrows. I'm just brushing them up. So I'm getting them ready for the glue. Because you want it to be flat. So as you can see, I'm taking the glue stick and brushing it upward. And this is the second coat that I'm applying. So after you let the first one dry, when it turns clear, depending on what glue you get, you go on it for a second or a third layer, depending on what you want to do. So I put my powder on top just to set it. I'm going in with a light concealer, which is why it's white and it don't really matter. You'll see. So first we're gonna go in with the red and just put that on the outer portion of the little mask thingy that we got going on. So now we're just going in with the orange and we're just gonna lay that down, not really blending it into the red. I mean, we're not gonna blend them all out yet. We're kind of just laying down our base. I'm pretty sure I said this before, but this is, to me personally, the best yellow that I've used. It's pigmented. And yeah, we just laying the yellow down like we did with the other two colors. And y'all see, y'all probably tired of me talking. So now we're going in with this green from the James Charles palette. This is honestly my first time using it, and it's darker than it looks in the pan. But that's okay though, 'cause I mean, it still came out cute. With all the stuff that's going on with Juvia's Place and how they're canceled and all that, this purple is bomb. So don't drag me for using the purple, y'all. So here, this is kind of like where I went back in with the second bases over the colors, so they're like more pigmented. And this red, I applied the Watch Me Blush from the crayon case over the other red, and I'm just taking my NYX liner now. And you know, just gonna, I don't really do wings. I'm just gonna go across my eyes so the lashes will look better. But yeah. So now we're gonna go in with this white pencil from Maybelline. We just love a good white under eyes, so cute. So now we're gonna remove the tape. I was actually shocked at how good it looked. And how I just like how sharp everything looked. So now I'm going in with my primer. I mean, this is, the face part is kind of basically the same steps. Cause I mean, I do my face the same, use the same products. So yeah, I probably won't talk as much during this part. So y'all just enjoy the rest of the video.